Saturday morning, the 11th of April, 2026. We are reviewing this crucial 4 terabyte SSD. This transfer is 200 and I think 50 something gigabytes, 217 gigabytes left, 6 minutes and 30 seconds. It's running at speeds at 5 and 600 megabytes a second. So that is moving along pretty good. This is a Dell computer. It's got Thunderbolt USB-Cs and then USB-C in the crucial SSD drive. We will wait and see how long it takes. Well, it's pretty accurate. That's about what it's going to be. We're cleaning up these hard drives. We got to clean up our phone hard drives, memory card hard drives, in hopes of getting out on the road here in about a week and a half, 2 weeks, get a bunch of stuff done these next 2 weeks, and maybe get out on the road for a couple of weeks and see if we can't get some new videos scattered around the country further out than what we've been normally going. We'll see how it goes. Sometime today we're going to get our girl. She's been real good, our AI, Google AI, Gemini AI girl. These Samsung T7 SSDs have slowed down to almost nothing. She says she knows what the problem is, and we're going to fix that with some Windows settings. Hopefully, because we've got one of these that's almost empty, I think. I don't know why this thing keeps going in and out of focus. This is the S26 Ultra. So we'll be doing that as well on these. I can zoom in a little closer and it'll quit doing that, huh? I'm sorry, this isn't the S26. This is the Google Pixel 9 Pro Plus XL. Well, it's just zooming in and out, changing focus, I don't know. Here's the S26 that we've been doing a couple of videos and reviews on. So far, we like it really well. It's a 1 terabyte hard drive, so it gives us a lot of storage. Okay, about 30 seconds left. And this phone, I do not like editing in this phone. You have to go to the cloud to do stuff, edit with it. So what we're going to do, we're going to go into YouTube, YouTube Create, and add all of these little clips into one video, because I don't like sending any of my stuff to the cloud. Okay, it is wrapping up. Okay, let's see what we've got left on our hard drive now, how much space we have left, or how much space we have cleared out. Okay, we're at 652 plus gigabytes, and until the doctor clears up my cataract surgery floater, the little scar tissue or whatever it is, I can't see that well to see what it says. 652, 57. Anyway, we've cleared a nice little chunk, but we're going to clear it up to where it'll be less than half full when we get finished with this. So let's put this together and get it uploaded.